अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं इको 401 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन द प्राइस ऑफ वन गुड चेंज द परचेसिंग पावर ऑफ कंज्यूमर चेंज द बजट लाइन शिफ्ट लीड टू correct answer is income effect. Question number 2, sugar cane produced from sugar beets, if the price of sugar beets falls then correct answer is the supply curve for sugar would shift right. Question number 3, the indifference curve as a straight line indicate that the two goods are perfect. Correct answer is substitutes. Question number 4, which of the following is the optimal choice? Correct option is rational choice. Question number 5, which of the following is a normative statement? Correct option is public should properly use their right to vote to elect the right person. Question number 5, 6. If a firm's long run average cost of production decreases as a result of increase in production, then the firm is experiencing. Correct answer is economies of scale. Question number 7. Suppose Ali is spending all his income on buying X1 unit of clothes and X2 unit of food. Market price of clothes is Rs 100 per unit and food price is Rs 30 per unit. The budget line equation in this case would be correct answer is 100x1 plus 30x2 is equal to m. Question number 8, and a line which charts out all the different combination of two goods which a consumer can purchase is called correct answer is budget line. Question number 9, the percentage change in quantity demanded of a given good with respect to the percentage change in the price of another good is called correct answer is cross price elasticity of demand. Question number 10, the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and circles means which alternative uses it is the definition of question number, and correct answer is economics. Question number 11, which of the following is true for decreasing return to scale? Correct answer is 1% increase in the amount of all the factor applied causes 0.75% increase in output. Question number 12, keeping other factor constant, if Asma drinks more and more bottle of cake, his marginal utility from coke will diminish. Correct answer is diminished. The law of question number 13, the law of diminishing return states that as more unit of a variable factor are added to a fixed factor, correct answer is the marginal product falls. Question number 14, slope of budget line changes. Correct answer is when price ratio changes. Question number 15, if the quality of all inputs are increased by 30% and output expand by 25%, then firm is experiencing. Correct answer is decreasing returns to scale. Question number 16, the concave shape of production possibility frontier of two goods X and Y illustrate. Correct answer is increasing opportunity cost for both goods. Question number 17, the total value of good exchange in product market each year is measured by. Correct answer is GDP, gross domestic product. Question number 18, suppose a good is having elastic demand, if price of good increases, correct answer is total revenue will decrease. Question number 19, in case of decreasing return to scale isoquants, correct answer is become further and further apart from each other. Question number 20, suppose firm A is producing bicycles, if demand for bicycle is increased and firm A has enough time to increase supply by applying all factor of production, then one can say that correct answer is firm A is operating in the long run. Question number 21, whenever we have to give up higher and higher unit of one good in order to produce each additional unit of other good, this principle shows. Correct answer is the increasing opportunity cost. Question number 22, Rabia decides to look after her baby at home rather than going out with her friend in a park. Her dilemma is an example of. Correct answer is opportunity cost. Question number 23, when an industry's raw material cost decrease, other things remaining the same, correct answer is the supply curve shift to the right. Question number 24, a good whose consumption increases due to increase in income is categorized as. Correct answer is normal good. Question number 25, which of the following is the slope of the budget line? Correct answer is minus px by pv. Question number 26. The curve unitary elastic demand will be correct answer is a high parabola. Question number 27. When government gives a subsidy to producer on production of a good, the equilibrium price of that good will correct answer is decrease. Question number 28. A graph showing all the combination of capital and labor available for a given total cost is known as correct answer is isocost line. Question number 29. A good whose consumption increase due to increase in its price is categorized as correct answer is given good. Question number 30. A normative economic statement is a statement. Correct answer is what should be done to solve economic problem. In economics, the long run is a time period in which correct answer is all inputs are variable. The quantity of a good that seller wish to sell at each price level is called correct answer is supply. If the price of good X is increased by 40% and its quantity demanded falls by 10%, the price elasticity of demand is correct answer is inelastic. The slope of isocost is equal to correct answer is price of labor to price of capital. If car and petrol are complement, then an increase in the price of car will cause correct answer is less petrol to be demanded at each price. In the presence of a diminishing marginal rate of technical substitution between labor and capital, output can be kept unchanged only if correct answer is equal. Successive increase in labor go hand in hand with ever smaller sacrifices of capital. अगला क्वेश्चन, इफ marginal utility is greater than price, then consumer will increase. Correct answer is consumption.